Hello everybody. So I got this Godzilla piggy bank and I decided it's a little plain, so I wanted to paint it up a little bit based on the last Godzilla vs. King Kong movie. So obviously I'm doing a pink highlight and I'm doing some glow-in-the-dark pink to go on top of it. I thought that'd be kind of a cool touch. And let's see, I didn't get the top part yet, so I need to finish this because I'm doing it out of order. And I'm using paint markers for this part. Then I took a Sharpie to the eye and that looked horrible, so I got some paint and fixed that up. Looks much better now. I get that tape off. Still a little messy, but it's something. I'm pretty happy with it. Doing a quick look over. Oh yes, I made the pupils a bit bigger, so it goes with that chibi look more. Then I mixed a few extra paints. What am I using this for? We will see. Oh, we're doing the nails. The nails were too white, so I decided to make them that color instead. And finally, last but not least, once I turn this around, you'll see that I flicked some gold paint on it just for fun. I thought it was kind of a cool effect. Just a little addition for the end, and that's about it.